Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished the topic related with our literature section. Today, we have to start a new topic related with our literature also. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Chapter 2 related with our footprints without feet, and the topic here like the thief's story. It's the creation of Ruskin Bond. My dear students, just before going to start the topic, I would like to provide you a brief description related with the story writer as well as the author. Ruskin Bond, born on 19th May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in London, Missouri, India. The Indian Council of Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of the children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. His novel in English, he was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. My dear students, just before going to discuss the story related with the topic, the thief's story, we should know the characters that have play a vital role in this story. Regarding the story, there will be two direct characters that will have to play their role to complete the story. First one here like Hari Singh, having 15 years old boy, and the second character like Anil. He is 25 years old writer. Now, the introduction related with the story, the thief's story. It's the creation of Ruskin Bond is about a 15-year-old boy Hari Singh, whose life changes when he meets Anil, a 25-year-old writer. Anil's unspoken words and kind gestures leave very positive imprints on Hari Singh, who is an artful thief. Just after finishing these all the informations, next day we shall have to start the summary of this chapter. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously wait for next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.